Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:18 scale Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye from Solido. Let's check out the car now. They have also included the door opener tool along with the car, and now let's unscrew it. The car is well protected in this blister packaging. Let's move on to the car now. The headlights are really well detailed, and there's the SRT logo on the grille. The grille itself is really well detailed. The lug nuts are really well detailed, and the wheels also have the SRT logo on the center cap, and the brakes are Brembo branded. The wheels also roll freely. There's the Hellcat logo on the front fender, and it looks really nice. The fuel door also looks really nice, and the rear wheels roll freely. The tail lamps have enough detailing on them, and it looks good. There's the Dodge and the SRT logo as well. The bonnet vents also look really nice. Here's the sunroof and the shark fin antenna. There are defroster lines on the rear windshield as well. Moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed, and if you look carefully, you can see that there is the Hellcat logo in the center screen of the instrument cluster. The steering wheel has the SRT logo and other various buttons on it. The steering wheel is also steerable. There are a few buttons on the door card as well. The seats have the SRT logo on them, and you can see the red seat belt buckle. The rear seats also have the SRT logo. The mirrors have chrome inserts in them, and they reflect really well, and it's the same with the IRVM as well. You can also see the sun visors from here. And this is how the sunroof looks like from inside. Now moving on to the passenger side, you can see the different vents and buttons on the dashboard more clearly from here. There are a few buttons on the door card on this side as well. The seat is the same as on the driver's side. There's a small bump on the rear parcel shelf for the center seat belt. The wipers also look really nice. So here's the underside of the car, and the exhaust system is painted in silver. There's some licensing information printed on the front splitter. The exhaust tips also look really nice. The steering angle on this model is large compared to the other models of the same scale. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and see you later.